Hello world. So today we're going to be taking a look at how to update the Academix Lite system as well as create a local database backup of the system. Okay, so let's get started. So you just have to open your browser and navigate to the Academix Lite system. Then you have to log in as the system administrator. Alright, once you log in as the system administrator, just scroll down. You will find an option where it says update Academix Lite here. And then if you click on it, it will prompt you to confirm on something. Just make sure that your browser is not blocking pop-ups here. Your browser should not say anything about blocking pop-ups here. If it is blocking pop-ups, make sure that you set it to allow for pop-ups. Then just click on OK here. It will take you to a page where you're going to download the safer deployment tool. As for me, I've just downloaded it here. So right here, that's the page. Once it's downloaded, like mine, I'm not going to re-download it because I've downloaded it already. You just have to open it. If you open it, then make sure just click on OK, then OK. Yeah. First things first, to prevent this thing that is writing something on your screen, you just have to come here and click where it says turn off assistant. Then just confirm by clicking on OK, then OK. Right. So to create a backup of the system database, what you need to do is you just need to click on this button here, which is written backup existing system database. Before you click on this button, make sure that you are running the system on the server that is hosting the Academix Lite system. If you run it on any other machine, this is not going to work. So also make sure that you have connected, be it maybe external devices such as maybe your USB drive where you need to save your database to. So make sure that the device is connected and you're running it on the server. Just click on here. It is going to prompt you as for how you want to save the database backup. Right, for me, I've created a folder in C drive, and then here, let me just delete these files. Okay, so let me save it as test backup. Right, as test backup. Then I will just hit on enter. Before you hit on enter, make sure that when you save your backup, there are no white spaces in the path or maybe in your file name, right? So you don't have to hit on the space bar. Neither should there be any space bar, white space in the directory. Like mine, I'm just in C, then backups, then hit on save. Then you have to wait until it says the database backup process has been completed successfully. It is your database size that determines the time it is going to take for the backup process to complete. As for me, I don't have anything in my in the database, so it is going to take. That is why it just took only less than 2 seconds to complete. Okay, so sometimes it might take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, just depending on the size of your database. So when it says the backup process has been completed successfully, now you can access your database like mine. As you can see here, it's test backup. This is the file that you're going to need when you want to maybe restore your system. Maybe the servers have crashed because of just for example maybe viruses, or maybe I don't know. We will need the database backup. Right, so this is very important. Okay, so to deploy the system, make sure that you obtain your passkey from Digital Systems. You just enter the username that they gave you and the passkey that they gave you, and click here on where it says deploy the system. So it will say the system has been deployed successfully. You just have to wait again after clicking on this button until it says the system has been deployed successfully. Once the system is deployed, You then follow the steps as described in the documentation as on how to configure your IIS for other devices on the network to start recognizing, to start accessing the system. Okay guys, so more tutorials are coming. The next tutorial is going to be on how to configure IIS so that the system is accessible on the web browser. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Let's meet on the next tutorial.